We've all been there, folks. That moment of sheer panic when you realize your suitcase is a disaster zone. You're staring at a suitcase full of clothes, wondering how you're going to make it all fit. The more you try, the worse it seems to get. Then the dread sets in. You know what's coming, wrinkles. Those unsightly creases that ruin your perfectly planned outfits. Those pesky creases that seem to multiply overnight, turning your carefully curated outfits into a crumpled mess. It's like they have a mind of their own. But what if I told you there's a better way? A method that can save you time and stress. Imagine this. You unzip your suitcase at your destination, and instead of a chaotic jumble of wrinkled garments, you find neatly rolled clothes ready to wear. No more last-minute ironing, no steaming, no stress. Sounds good, right? It's like a dream come true for any traveler. Well, get ready to say goodbye to packing frustration because I'm about to let you in on a little secret. The art of wrinkle-free packing through rolling. It's a game changer. Rolling your clothes might seem like a small change, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. This simple technique can transform your packing experience. By tightly rolling your garments instead of folding them, you're essentially creating a compact cylindrical shape that's less likely to crease. This method ensures your clothes stay smooth and ready to wear. It's like magic, but with less abracadabra and more, that's better. Imagine arriving at your destination with clothes that look freshly pressed. But the benefits of rolling go beyond just wrinkle prevention. It's a game changer for anyone who travels frequently. It's also a fantastic space saver, allowing you to pack more into your suitcase without resorting to sitting on it to get it to close. You can fit in those extra outfits and souvenirs with ease. Plus, it makes packing and unpacking a breeze, with each item easily visible and accessible. No more digging through layers of clothes to find what you need. So, are you ready to ditch the wrinkles and embrace the roll? This small change can make your travel experience so much smoother. Let's get down to business and start rolling our way to a wrinkle-free journey. Alright folks, let's break down the art of rolling into a few easy steps. First, start with a flat surface. Lay your garment flat on a clean, dry surface like a bed or a table. This ensures you have enough space to work with and helps in keeping your clothes neat. Smooth out any wrinkles with your hands. This step is crucial to avoid creases and keep your clothes looking fresh. Next, fold and roll. Fold the garment in half lengthwise, making sure the edges are aligned perfectly. Then start rolling it tightly from the bottom up. Think sushi roll, but with clothes. The tighter you roll, the less space it will take up in your suitcase. Finally, secure the roll. Once you reach the top, you can use a rubber band or a hair tie to secure the roll, ensuring it stays compact, or simply tuck the end of the roll under itself. This method works well for most fabrics and keeps everything in place. That satisfying swoosh sound? That's the sound of wrinkle-free packing success. Happy travels and enjoy your neatly packed suitcase. Section 4. Clothing Conundrums, Mastering the Roll for Every Garment. Now I know what you're thinking. Steve, that's great for t-shirts, but what about my fancy pants and delicate dresses? Don't worry, I got you covered. Shirts. Fold the sleeves in towards the back, then fold in half lengthwise and roll from the bottom up. Pants. Lay them flat, fold in half lengthwise and roll from the waistband down. Dresses and delicate items. Turn them inside out to protect any embellishments, then roll gently to prevent wrinkles. For extra protection, place a piece of tissue paper inside the roll. Section 5. Space and Serenity, Reaping the Rewards of Rolling. Once you've mastered the roll, you'll be amazed by how much space you save in your suitcase. No more sitting on your luggage, praying it closes. Instead, you'll have a neatly packed bag with room to spare for souvenirs and those just-in-case items. But the best part? Unpacking at your destination and finding your clothes wrinkle-free and ready to wear. It's a feeling of pure travel bliss, like finding a $20 bill in your pocket or getting upgraded to first class. Section 6. Join the journey. Subscribe for more packing prowess. So there you have it, folks. The secret to wrinkle-free packing is as simple as rolling your clothes. It's a game changer for any traveler, whether you're a seasoned jet setter or a weekend warrior. Want more travel hacks and tips to make your next trip the best one yet? Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive content delivered straight to your inbox. Happy travels, and remember, roll with it.